You're next.
Okay, how you doing, man? I'm Sean with Paparazzi Sean Entertainment, man, and I just wanted to really just know who you are and what you're doing out here and how the support you're going.
Yeah, so I'm Noche Diaz. I'm with the RevCon.us and the StopMassIncarceration.org. The Stop Mass Incarceration put out a call for people around the country today to step out in a National Hoodie Day, because we remember over a year ago when Trayvon Martin was killed, it took over a month where they let George Zimmerman walk free until people around the country stepped out and demanded justice and said, we are all Trayvon Martin. And so now they're trying to tell people to stay home and wait for the verdict. But we know what happened when people just waited for them to do their thing. They let George Zimmerman walk. So we're saying people need to step out and once again show that they're demanding justice. It's not just a nice thing that we'd like. Because if he's allowed to walk free, that sends a message to every racist vigilante that they can take the life of a black or Latino youth, and it's free. The justice system will have their backs, and the life of youth of color don't matter for nothing.
Yeah, and that's the problem right now.
That is the problem. We shouldn't even be here talking about George Zimmerman and Trayvon Martin, which criminalizes black and Latino youth across this country. And whether it's the police who carry out, murders or things like stop and frisk in New York, or whether it's vigilantes who take it upon themselves to be the wannabe cops. It's the same problem, which is the criminalization of black and Latino youth by this system, which is itself criminal.
Word, and I understand that definitely. How long you been doing this?
I've been working on fighting this injustice for a few years, now, in terms of, about maybe, I don't know, 5 to 6 years or something like that I've been actively involved, and I've been part of this fight for justice for Trayvon Martin since the beginning. In fact, I very recently was facing years in jail for standing with and for youth in New York City who were sort of spontaneously just got together and started, marching in the streets saying, we are all Trayvon Martin and we demand justice. Because again, this resonates with so many people, myself included, so many young people who saw themselves in Trayvon Martin, who know what it's like to be treated like criminals and suspects for no reason but what they look like. And so these youth took to the streets and were saying how they feel and what they know, and the police descended on them. A 14-year-old was taken and thrown through a window at the bank by the police, and other groups of youth were attacked by a number of police officers, and I spoke up for them and stood with them, and I was arrested and I faced years in jail, and we built a fight around that to show them that the message that they're trying to send, which is that you can't stand up to this, we're going to send a different message, which is that as they come at people who are standing for justice, we're going to get stronger and we're going to beat back those attacks.
So they're actually giving you hassle for standing up for other people and trying to do what's right. You know what I'm saying? That's a system for you, right?
Exactly. That's why the shirt says, "System has no future for the youth, but the revolution does."
That's so real. That's so real, man. I tell you what, man, I appreciate it, man. Sean from Paparazzi Sean Entertainment.
The back of this too. It's from Bob Avakian, who's the leader of the revolution. He's talking about the mass incarceration and it makes the basic point: the whole segregation and Ku Klux Klan terror, and now the new Jim Crow. Police brutality, murder, wholesale criminalization and mass incarceration, and legalized discrimination yet again. That's it for this system. 3 strikes, you're out.
That's it, man. It's just basically repeating itself over and over and over. Let me get a good focus on that. Let me get a picture. So how long you got us gonna be out here?
We're gonna be out here today, and then tomorrow we might be. I don't know if we'll be back here. We might go back to the neighborhoods where we're doing some work around Sanford.
Oh yeah, where at? If you don't mind me asking, so that way I can come.
Maybe not on camera, just because we don't want people to be talking.